Hi, I'm Hariharan. So in this video, we are going to discuss about pattern allowances used in foundries. While making patterns, certain dimensional allowances must be given in the pattern so that the casting uptime is of required specification. So various types of allowances are shrinkage allowance, machining allowance, draft, distortion, and shake allowance. Shrinkage allowance. Shrinkage allowance is the allowance added to the pattern to compensate for the metal shrinkage that takes place while the metal solidifies. So the table shows the contraction allowances for casting of different metals in sand casting mold. Machining or finishing allowance. So it is extra material provided on certain details of a casting so that the casting may be machined to exact dimensions. The machining allowance depends upon several factors like casting process, size of casting, degree of finish, machining methods. So the table shows the machining allowances of various dimensions with respect to materials. So draft or taper allowance. So it facilitates the removal from the mold without excessive wrapping or breakage of cavity edges. The amount of taper varies with the type of pattern. So generally, the taper will be range of 0.5 to 1.5 degree. It may be reduced to 0.5 degree in terms of larger castings. Distortion or camber allowance. This allowance is provided on the pattern to compensate for possible distortion of the casting because of the unequal cooling rates of different sections of the casting and uneven internal stresses. Such allowance depend upon the judgment and experience of the pattern maker who understands the shrinkage characteristics of the metal. And the last one is wrapping or shaking allowance. This allowance is provided to compensate for enlargement of the mold cavity because of excessive wrapping. In small and medium sized casting, this allowances can be neglected, but in larger casting, this allowance is considered to make the part slightly smaller than the casting. Thanks for watching. Thank you.